Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about midterm splitting. When we are solving quadratic expressions of trinomial quadratic expressions, the most important method that is used is midterm splitting. Let's understand in detail how to solve questions. I'll be taking 5 to 6 examples and I'll also give you stepwise method how to solve the questions. So if the quadratic expression is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, then what do? We have to find the product of a and c. The product of a and c should be such that the sum of their factors, जो भी आपका product आया उसके जो factors निकालोगे, that should be equal to b. Now let's understand this with the help of an example, then you will get it better. So the first example that I am taking is this: x square plus 9x plus 20. So the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant a and c will be 20. We'll find out all the factors of 20. The factors of 20 will be 1, 20, 2, 10, 3, 4 and 5. That's it. Now we have to choose the factor which sums up to 9x. 1 and 20 no way, 2 and 10 no way, so the choice is 4 and 5. So this is x square, this will be xx. We recheck. If we multiply 4x and 5x, we get 20. If we add 4x and 5x, we get 9x. So we replace 9x by 4x and 5x. Now how do we factorize? We take common factors from the two terms, x plus 4, 5, x plus 4. We see these two are common, similar, so x plus 4 comes out and what remains inside is x plus 5. Let's take one more example. And one more thing that we should see here, if this is positive, the product is positive, these two factors will always be of the same sign. Okay. In case the product is negative, the sign of the factors will be opposite. We will do such questions also. Let's move on to the next question. So the product of the first and the last term is 24. Let's find all the factors of 24. 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. Now which factor sums up to make 10x? This is our choice. This is going to be our choice. So if this is 24x square, this is x and x, we check once again. The product of 4x and 6x is 24x square. The sum of 4x and 6x is 10x. So we replace here by 4x plus 6x plus 24. See, for common factor between them, x plus 4, 6x plus 4. Now x plus 4 is common, x plus 6. That's our answer. Let's move on to the next question. In this, the middle term is a negative term. So what to do? Again, the product here of the first and the last term is 12x square. It's a positive number. That means both the factors should be of the same sign, whether positive or negative, but the sign of both the factors should be same. Then only we'll get the product as positive. So let's first look for all the possible outcomes we can have. 2 and 6, 3 and 4, that's it. We need the sum as 7. So this is our choice. But we will take minus 3x and minus 4x. So if we multiply them, we get 12x square positive. And if we add them, we get minus 7x square. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Taking common, x common here, x minus 3. Minus sign I take common. If I would have taken a positive sign, my this value and this term will not come same. So I will take minus 4 common so that this becomes x minus 3. Now my these two values are same, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Let's do one more question. Now in this case, the first and the third term product is minus 77. That means the factors should be of opposite sign. Let's look for factors. 1 and 77, minus 7 plus 11, or plus 7 minus 11. Here this. So the choice, how to choose the right answer? I need the answer middle term as minus 4x. Minus 4, if I choose this, the second set of factors, my answer will come as plus 4, which is not our requirement. If I choose this, my answer will come as minus 4, which is my requirement. So this is my choice. I replace x square plus 7x minus 11x minus 77, x plus 7 minus 11, x plus 7. X plus 7 comes out and x minus 11 remains inside. Next question. Now here the coefficient of x is not 1, x square is not 1. Then also we multiply, we get 60. Now the factors of 60 that we have 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, which adds up to make 17. Obviously this is our choice. Since it's a positive number, our factors will be of similar sign. So 3x square plus 5x plus 12x plus 20. 3, we see x only common, so we take 3x plus 5 here. We can see 4 common here, so 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 again is a common factor. What remains inside is x plus 1. One more example I'll take, where the product of these two is positive, 72x square, but the middle term is negative. That means the factors will be of same sign, negative sign. But so let's choose the factor. 1, 72, 2, 36, 3, 24, 4, 1, 18, 6, 12. So which two factors join to make 18? This is our choice. 8x square, but this time both should be negative. And the product will come as positive since 72x square, and the sum will come as minus 18x. So minus 6x minus 12x plus 9. Common factors between them. We take 2x as a common factor. 4x minus 3. Minus 3 common. So 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3 comes out. 2x minus 3. That's your answer. So I've taken 6 different types of questions. Now I'll summarize all this in the form of steps also for you. So you can write down these steps. So these are the steps that we follow. Write the expression in descending order. Write the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. Find all the possible factors. Choose the factors whose sum is equal to the coefficient of x. Now replace the middle term by the two factors and factorize further by taking common factor. And one more important point that we have to remember, if the product of a and c is negative, the two factors will be of opposite sign. If the product is positive, the two factors will be of same sign. I hope these steps makes the point more clear. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.